Hi YouTube, we're gonna do Amy Allen's song called Difficult. Deceptively simple song. I saw her do it acoustic and she's playing in the open position. You can play arpeggios like that. She's playing finger style at the beginning. Something like that. I watched her play it. She does the finger style at the beginning, and then later on, she just gets into like strumming. So let's get into the chords. We have an E, G, D, A. So it's kind of nice that you can play it all in open, with the open chords, and that helps if you're trying to sing it. So that's the main verse part. Chorus is actually played on the guitar's playing single notes and is doubling the melody. Or the melody's doubling the guitar, however you want to look at it. This is probably the easiest way to play it, and you can play it in the open position. You start with on your 2nd fret on the 5th string. You climb up to the 4th fret, and then you jump to the open D. And then you hammer onto the 2nd fret at the 4th string. And then you come 4th fret on the 5th string, and then open A string. And what she does when she plays it, she has a second guitar. So, but what she is doing, if she, like if you were playing the solo, she just does power chords. In the recording, the bass is playing that part. That's the simplest way to play it. You can play it up here. And she's just playing power chords on the guitar. So I would just do that, play the power chords in the open position. Some palm muting on there. All right, the only other part of the song that we need to discuss, okay, because the chorus is that riff, is a short bridge at about 2 minutes and 30 seconds into the recording. She goes into this bridge and it starts, it goes like this. So the chords for the bridge are going to be C, D, E. This is the rhythm. C, D, A. All right, that covers the bridge chord, and then I think it goes right into the chorus riff. Brilliant song for its simplicity, and so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.